Every day you face hundreds of choices. From the moment you wake up, your mind is bombarded with decisions. What to wear, what to eat, how to commute, and even what to focus on at work. These choices, big and small, shape the course of your day and ultimately, your life. But are those choices beautiful? Do they reflect the person you aspire to be? Are they aligned with your values and principles? Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, asked himself one simple question daily: are my choices beautiful? This question wasn't about aesthetics but about the moral and ethical quality of his decisions. Imagine a life filled with choices you're truly proud of, decisions that reflect integrity, courage, and wisdom. Picture yourself making decisions that not only benefit you but also contribute positively to the world around you. In just 7 minutes, discover how the ancient wisdom of the Stoics can guide you toward decisions that aren't just good, but beautiful. Learn how to apply timeless principles to modern-day dilemmas, and see how these teachings can bring clarity and purpose to your life. Whether it's choosing how to spend your time, how to treat others, or how to respond to challenges, applying Marcus Aurelius's question can transform your daily life. By asking yourself, are my choices beautiful? You can navigate the complexities of modern living with a sense of direction and fulfillment. This approach encourages you to look beyond immediate gratification and consider the long-term impact of your actions. It's about making choices that resonate with your core values and contribute to a life well lived. So as you go through your day, remember to pause and reflect. Ask yourself, are my choices beautiful? And let this question guide you towards a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Marcus Aurelius said, "The soul becomes dyed by the color of its thoughts." This profound statement reminds us that our inner world shapes our outer reality. The thoughts we entertain, the beliefs we hold, and the choices we make all contribute to the tapestry of our lives. Every single choice shapes who you become, whether it's a small decision like what to eat for breakfast, or a significant one like choosing a career path. Each choice is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. The crossroads we encounter daily are opportunities to define our character and our destiny. Beautiful choices shape beautiful lives. Acts of kindness, moments of compassion, and decisions rooted in love and integrity create a life filled with meaning and joy. When we choose to help others, to nurture the environment, or to build strong relationships, we are crafting a life of beauty and purpose. Ugly choices, on the other hand, lead to regret and frustration. Decisions driven by fear, anger, or selfishness can leave us feeling isolated and remorseful. These choices can create a ripple effect, impacting not only our own lives but also the lives of those around us. Stoicism teaches us that beauty in our decisions comes from virtue, doing the right thing, not because it's easy, but because it's aligned with who we truly want to be. By practicing mindfulness and self-reflection, we can make choices that reflect our highest values and aspirations. Volunteering, meditating, and making thoughtful decisions are all ways to cultivate a virtuous life. Inspire others by leading through example. Show them that beautiful choices are not only possible but transformative. When we live with integrity and purpose, we become beacons of light for others, encouraging them to make their own beautiful choices. Together, we can create a world where virtue and kindness are the guiding principles. In this extended chapter, we will delve deeper into the practical applications of Stoic wisdom. Let's explore some specific exercises that can help you cultivate a Stoic mindset. One powerful exercise is the practice of negative visualization. This involves imagining the loss of something you value, which can help you appreciate it more and reduce fear of loss. Picture yourself without your most cherished possessions or relationships. Feel the initial discomfort, and then let it transform into gratitude for what you currently have. This exercise teaches you to value the present moment and the people in your life deeply. Another exercise is the dichotomy of control, where you focus only on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Begin by listing your worries and concerns. Then, categorize them into two groups: things you can control and things you cannot. This simple act can reduce stress and increase your sense of agency, allowing you to channel your energy into actions that truly matter. Additionally, we can learn from historical anecdotes of Stoic philosophers like Epictetus and Seneca, who applied these principles in their own lives. For example, Epictetus, who was born a slave, used Stoic principles to find freedom and peace of mind despite his circumstances. He taught that our true power lies in our ability to choose our response to any situation, no matter how challenging. In modern times, many successful individuals, from athletes to business leaders, have embraced Stoic wisdom to navigate challenges and achieve their goals. Take the story of a renowned athlete who, after facing a career-threatening injury, used Stoic principles to focus on his recovery and return stronger than ever. His journey illustrates how Stoicism can turn adversity into an opportunity for growth. By incorporating these exercises and learning from both historical and modern examples, you can deepen your understanding of Stoic philosophy and apply it more effectively in your daily life. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about making small, consistent efforts to live a life of virtue and purpose. In this chapter, we will explore practical ways to apply Stoic wisdom in your daily life. From morning routines to handling stress at work, Stoic principles can guide you towards making beautiful choices consistently. Let's start with your morning. Begin your day with a moment of reflection. Ask yourself, what is the most important thing I need to accomplish today? This simple question can help you prioritize your tasks and focus on what truly matters. Next, consider how you handle stress. When faced with a challenging situation, pause and take a deep breath. Remind yourself that you have the power to choose your response. Instead of reacting impulsively, choose a response that aligns with your values. Another practical application is in your interactions with others. Practice empathy and understanding. When someone upsets you, try to see things from their perspective. This can help you respond with kindness and compassion rather than anger or frustration. Finally, end your day with gratitude. Reflect on the choices you made and acknowledge the ones that were beautiful. This practice can help you cultivate a positive mindset and reinforce the habit of making beautiful choices. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you can live a life guided by Stoic wisdom and filled with beautiful choices. If you're ready to master your life through beautiful, powerful decisions, subscribe to our channel right now. Every video you watch brings you closer to wisdom and meaningful living. Like this video, share it, and comment below. What's one beautiful choice you're committing to today? Let's encourage each other to live deeper, wiser, and better lives every day.